Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Barbie's Princess Adventures outfit on Dress to Impress. Removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on. You only need one VIP item, which is a crown. Select this hair in FEC 698, position at the Y at 0.55, Z 0.47, scale at 2.33. Select this hair, position in the same color, position the Y at 0.55, Z 0.52. Grab this crown in VIP in E27896 and BE. First toggle, position the Y at 0.67, Z 0.43, rotate the X to 0.49 and scale it to 0.09. For the outfit, select this jacket in this color 7F5AC3 in silk. The fur in this color, I'm just going to make it a little bit lighter like this. Then in that same color again in silk. And that same color again. Grab this top. Wait. This one? That's that's the bow. Where is it? This one, turn off everything. Color the first one this pink color, FFAD8A. And then the second one, I think I went with the darker pink here, E37896. For the skirt, I did just use the witch skirt. I know it's not exactly the same. I'm just going to color this light pink in glitter, and then that dark pink. For the shoes, I wore these in white, and then in this, oh my gosh, I haven't added glasses, in this like bluish color, and then in white, and then that purple. B43EC3 in silk. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.